how to set up an eBay AU seller account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously get your eBay, and then from here simply open the application. In order to set up your account, all you need to do is simply tap on my eBay icon that you'll be able to see right here, and what you need to do is now like sign in, right? So simply tap on sign in right here. Now then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on create an account if you do not have your account yet. So after doing that, here you'll need to now add in your email address, your first name, last name, and then you can either continue with your email address or you can continue with any of those platforms if you want to, and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to create yourself an account, right? So since I already have an account, I will be logging into my own account. And just like this, after logging into your account, there's nothing more that you need to do. So from your homepage here, you can now like browse through your eBay in order to like buy anything, right? So if you want to like sell any sort of item, all you need to do is get on my eBay icon just like this. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the section of selling, right? All you need to do is simply tap on list an item in order to start selling your own product. So in here, you can now start start typing what exact product that you're trying to sell, right? So let's just say I want to sell a laptop. I'm going to tap laptop just like this. So after searching for laptop here, now you need to set its model and everything, or if your laptop matches with any of those categories, you can tap on them and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to set up, right? So obviously there needs to be a lot of confirmed details, so you can just add in confirmed details in order to like continue with your listing. And when you're on the last step, finally you'll be able to set your product up for a listing, and that is exactly how you'll be able to set up an eBay AU seller account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that is it for the video.